In this video, we're going to learn how to convert inches to centimeters and centimeters to inches. So before we learn how to convert these two terms, the first thing I want you to know is that for every 1 inch, you have a value that is equal to 2.54 centimeters. Okay, so we are going to be using this constant conversion term to convert from inch to centimeters and from centimeters to inch. So for this example, we know that 1 inch goes to 2.54 centimeters. So 5 inch is equal to x centimeters, because we do not know the value yet. Okay, so from here we cross multiply, so that x times 1 should be equal to 5 times 2.54. okay, so that x times 1 is x, which is equal to 5 times 2.54 equal to 12.7 centimeters. So the equivalent of 5 inch to centimeter is 12.7 centimeters. Now if we take another example, say 10 inch to cm. Okay, so you want to pause the video and try this one out yourself. Okay, so like we did before, we introduced the constant conversion term. So this is 1 inch equal to 2.54, okay, centimeters. So for 10 inch, we would have x centimeters. Okay, so to find x centimeters, we need to cross multiply. So cross multiplying 1 times x is x times 1, which is equal to 10 times 2.54. okay, so that x is now equal to 10 times 2.54 is 25.4 centimeters. Okay, so let's also take another example. So in this case, we are going to be converting centimeters to inch, but we're still going to be using the same constant conversion term, which is 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. Okay, so we do not know the value of inch in this case, so this is x inch is equal to 20 centimeters. Okay, so we are going to be cross multiplying as we did before. So x times 2.54 is equal to 20 times 1. So this is 20 times 1. So this is 2.54 x equals to 20. Okay, so x dividing both sides by 2.54, x equals to 20 divided by 2.54. so this is equal to 7.874 to 3 decimal places. Okay, so that's it for conversion of inch to centimeters and from conversion to centimeters for inch. If you like the video, please leave a like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. It helps. Thanks for watching.